Sorry, I forget. Oke, jadi aturan yang pertama, saya harap teman-teman bisa tetap gunakan nama asli sebagai nama tampilan di Zoom Meeting ini, supaya memudahkan kita untuk tahu satu sama lain dan memudahkan saya juga untuk manggil teman-teman. Kemudian untuk aturan yang kedua, saya harap teman-teman bisa tetap bisukan mikrofonnya ya, jika tidak ada yang ingin disampaikan atau ditanyakan di Zoom Meeting. Tapi kalau misalnya ada yang mau ditanyakan atau mungkin ada yang mau disampaikan, bisa untuk angkat tangan terlebih dahulu menggunakan fitur angkat tangan yang ada di Zoom Meeting ini atau raise hand ya. Kemudian nanti saya akan izinkan untuk di tidak bisukan. Dan terlebih untuk sesi listening ya, karena hari ini listening, saya harap teman-teman bisa tetap menjaga kelasnya tetap kondusif, jadi tidak akan mengganggu teman-teman peserta yang lain. Gitu. And I hope in this listening session, maybe you can use your tools to help you to listen better, like headset maybe, or earphone, or maybe the speaker, so you can listen better. Dan di sesi listening ini saya harap teman-teman mungkin bisa gunakan alat bantu untuk bisa mendengar dengan lebih baik ya. Mungkin bisa gunakan earphone, headphone, atau mungkin speaker gitu. Oke? Ada yang mau ditanyakan mengenai aturan kelas kita di Zoom meeting ini? Atau mungkin sudah cukup jelas? Is it clear enough? Clear, okay. So let's move to the next slide. So it is for what we're gonna do in this listening session. We have two main activity and also one additional activity. The first is active listening. So I will provide you with the short video that we will listen together, and I will repeat the short video 2 until 3 times if needed. And for this session, the video will be different because there will be no subtitle, but I know that you can still understand for the context because it use basic vocabulary and also the speaker speaks slowly. Okay, and then for the second activity is listening comprehension quiz. So in this activity, we will face some quiz or question that it is to measure our comprehension about the video that we have listened together. Okay, and then the last for the additional activity, it is unfamiliar words. So if we still have enough time, we can list the word that's still unfamiliar that we found on the short video or maybe on the question. Oke, jadi teman-teman ini adalah apa yang akan kita lakukan di sesi listening hari ini. Jadi kita ada dua untuk aktivitas utamanya dan satu aktivitas tambahan. Yang pertama adalah active listening atau mendengarkan secara aktif. Jadi saya akan menyediakan sebuah video pendek yang akan kita dengarkan bersama-sama. Saya akan ulangi video pendeknya 2 sampai 3 kali pengulangan jika dibutuhkan. Dan untuk di sesi listening hari ini, bentuk videonya akan sedikit berbeda karena uh, tidak ada subtitlenya. Oke, tapi saya yakin teman-teman masih akan bisa memahami video pendeknya karena menggunakan vocabulary yang basic dan juga pembicaranya berbicara secara perlahan. Oke. Dan yang kedua, aktivitas yang kedua adalah listening comprehension quiz atau kuis pemahaman mendengarkan. Oke, jadi nanti kita akan bertemu dengan beberapa pertanyaan untuk mengukur seberapa pemahaman kita terhadap video pendek yang sudah kita dengarkan. Dan terakhir, untuk additional activity atau aktivitas tambahan adalah unfamiliar words atau kata tidak familiar. Ya, jadi nanti kalau kita masih ada cukup waktu, kita bisa listkan kata-kata yang masih tidak familiar yang kita temukan di video pendek atau di pertanyaan. Oke, dan kita bisa sama-sama cari artinya. Oke, jadi itu aja mengenai apa yang akan kita lakukan di sesi listening hari ini. Mungkin teman-teman ada pertanyaan? Oh, it's okay if you cannot join in the class. You can still learn from the recording that I shared to your group after the class end. Jadi teman-teman yang nggak bisa hadir di sesi Zoom meeting nggak apa-apa ya, nggak mesti izin. Teman-teman masih tetap bisa pelajari dari rekaman yang saya bagikan di grup. Oke? But thanks, okay? Okay, so now we will start our listening session. Okay, let's sound check first.
Let's go to the supermarket to get.
Okay, how can you hear the voice clear enough? Yang lain gimana? Okay, you can listen, you can hear it clearly. So let's continue.
Let's go to the supermarket to get some things for tonight's dinner.
Sounds good.
It's Earth Day, Grandpa. We should bring our own bags to the supermarket.
Earth Day? What do you mean, bring our own bags?
Well, we should think carefully about using things like plastic bags and PET bottles. You know, plastic is not good for the environment.
You kids. Your generation is the reason that the environment is such a mess. Back when I was a kid, there were no plastic bottles. Everything was glass. We reused our drink bottles, and we even got money back when we took the bottles back to the store. We didn't have plastic bags, we had brown paper bags. Candy wasn't wrapped in individual plastic wrappers. We chose which ones we wanted and put them in a little white paper bag. We used to walk to school every day. We didn't get a ride with Mom and Dad in big gas-guzzling cars and SUVs. All the fast food restaurants didn't have plastic this and styrofoam that. Things were wrapped in newspapers. Milk was delivered every day in recyclable glass bottles. It was placed on our front porch, fresh and ready for breakfast in the morning. You kids.
Things sure have changed. So, let's bring our own bags to the store. That is the least we can do.
Sure. It's the little things we do that can have big impacts. What else can you do?
Okay, finish. So this is the granddaughter and also the grandfather talking about the Earth Day, okay? Now I will repeat for the short video. Please listen carefully, and for the participant who just joined in this listening session, let's listen to this short video. Ya, nggak ada subtitlenya ya, teman-teman. Oke.
Let's go to the supermarket to get some things for tonight's dinner.
Sounds good.
It's Earth Day, Grandpa. We should bring our own bags to the supermarket.
Earth Day? What do you mean, bring our own bags?
Well, we should think carefully about using things like plastic bags and PET bottles. You know, plastic is not good for the environment.
You kids. Your generation is the reason that the environment is such a mess. Back when I was a kid, there were no plastic bottles. Everything was glass. We reused our drink bottles, and we even got money back when we took the bottles back to the store. We didn't have plastic bags. We had brown paper bags. Candy wasn't wrapped in individual plastic wrappers. We chose which ones we wanted and put them in a little white paper bag. We used to walk to school every day. We didn't get a ride with Mom and Dad in big gas-guzzling cars and SUVs. All the fast food restaurants didn't have plastic this and styrofoam that. Things were wrapped in newspapers. Milk was delivered every day in recyclable glass bottles. It was placed on our front porch, fresh and ready for breakfast in the morning. You kids.
Things sure have changed. So, let's bring our own bags to the store. That is the least we can do.
Sure. It's the little things we do that can have big impacts. What else can you do?
Okay, so have you got the main point? Kalau bisa teman-teman tidak usah diaktifkan ya subtitlenya. Oke, jadi teman-teman di sini kan melatih kemampuan listeningnya ya. Oke, jadi memang sengaja nggak dikasih subtitle supaya teman-teman bisa lebih fokus ke mendengarkan video pendeknya, oke? Karena video pendeknya masih tergolong A1 atau level yang basic, jadi teman-teman tinggal mendengarkan dan mencari apa konteks pembicaraan dari si speaker. Jadi kalau bisa nggak perlu diaktifin untuk subtitlenya, oke? Okay, so I will repeat again for the short video, and it is the last time. So let's listen carefully.
Let's go to the supermarket to get some things for tonight's dinner.
Sounds good.
It's Earth Day, Grandpa. We should bring our own bags to the supermarket.
Earth Day? What do you mean, bring our own bags?
Well, we should think carefully about using things like plastic bags and PET bottles. You know, plastic is not good for the environment.
You kids. Your generation is the reason that the environment is such a mess. Back when I was a kid, there were no plastic bottles. Everything was glass. We reused our drink bottles, and we even got money back when we took the bottles back to the store. We didn't have plastic bags. We had brown paper bags. Candy wasn't wrapped in individual plastic wrappers. We chose which ones we wanted and put them in a little white paper bag. We used to walk to school every day. We didn't get a ride with Mom and Dad in big gas-guzzling cars and SUVs. All the fast food restaurants didn't have plastic this and styrofoam that. Things were wrapped in newspapers. Milk was delivered every day in recyclable glass bottles. It was placed on our front porch, fresh and ready for breakfast in the morning. You kids.
Things sure have changed. So, let's bring our own bags to the store. That is the least we can do.
Sure. It's the little things we do that can have big impacts. What else can you do?
Okay, finish. So what else thing that you can do? Jadi, apa hal lain yang bisa kalian lakukan untuk lingkungan? Selain kalau si granddaughter-nya tadi bilang, let's bring our own bag to the supermarket. What else you can do? Mungkin teman-teman bisa bantu jawab pertanyaan dari grandfather. Okay. Recycling and get money. Okay, yeah. Now we can recycling, but not every store giving us money or giving back our money. Okay. Yes, it's about environment and the way how we the things that we can do for environments. So what else we can do for the environment besides bring our own bags? Nothing? Tidak ada yang jawab? Bring basket? Using public transportation? Bring basket, what does it mean? What the mean about the story? It's about environment and and also the difference between different generation, grandfather's generation and also the granddaughter generation. Don't use plastic bag. Okay, any other else? Ada lagi yang lain? So there's two, using public transportation, recycling. Jadi hal lain apa yang bisa kita lakukan untuk lingkungan? Itu pertanyaan dari si kakek. Reduce the use of plastic, making plastic from biodegradable and safe materials. Use the paper carefully. Bring our own tumbler or food container. Okay, take rubbish into the garbage. Using paper bag, not plastic. Do not litter. Use recycling to save money and protect the environment. Okay, it's good. That was good, all of the answer. Thank you. And then next, let's move to the listening comprehension quiz. So if you want to answer for the question, you can raise your hand. Ada yang mau berpartisipasi untuk menjawab? Boleh angkat tangan. Tidak ada? Can you hear my voice clear enough? Hello, Miss Jessie.
Hello, Miss. Good evening.
Okay, Miss Jessie. So this, thank you. So this is the question for number 1. Okay, now you can read and give your best answer.
Okay. Where does Mindy want to go with her grandpa? B.
Okay,
Supermarket.
B. Supermarket. Okay,
Yes.
it's good. Thank you, Miss Jessie. Okay, wait a minute. So the correct answer for number 1 is, yes, it is B. Supermarket. Where does Mindy want to go with her grandpa? Kemana Mindy ingin pergi dengan kakeknya? Jawabannya adalah yang B, supermarket. Okay, it's good. And then next for number 2, I will call Miss Alice. Hello, Miss Alice. Good evening. Hello, good evening, Miss Alice.
Good evening, Miss.
Okay, now you can read and answer for number 2.
What does she suggest that they bring to the supermarket? Their own bags. A B.
B, their own bags. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Alice.
Thank you, Miss.
What does she suggest that they bring to the supermarket? Okay, now let's see. The correct answer is, yes, it is B, their own bags. Apa yang dia sarankan untuk mereka bawa ke supermarket? Jawabannya adalah yang B, ya. Tas mereka sendiri. Okay. Yes, all your answer is great on meeting chat also. Yes, she didn't catch the bugs. Okay. And then next, number 3. Miss Iya. Hello, good evening, Miss Iya.
Hello, good evening, Miss. How are
Okay.
you?
And now you can read and give your answer.
Okay, that's right. According to Mindy, what should they think carefully about?
Okay.
C. Using plastic bags and PET bottles.
C, using plastic bags and PET
Okay.
bottle. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Iya. C. What do you think, guys? C. Okay. Sorry, okay. So let's just see for number 3. The correct answer is, yes, it is C, using plastic bag and PET bottles. Jadi, berdasarkan Mindy atau menurut Mindy, apa yang harus mereka pikirkan secara baik-baik, ya, yaitu yang C, menggunakan tas plastik, dan PET bottles ini adalah botol plastik. Oke, atau ada kepanjangannya PET ini. Wait a minute. Coba kita lihat ya, PET itu kepanjangannya dari apa? PET bottle. Polyethylene terephthalate. Oke, polyethylene terephthalate atau yang lebih umum disebut dengan botol plastik. Okay, it's good. And then next, number 4. Number 4, I will call Miss Noni. Hello, Miss Noni.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, Miss Noni. So now you can read for number 4 and give your answer.
According to Grandpa, why is the environment a mess?
Okay.
Uh, A. A, Miss. Younger generation habits.
A, younger generation's habit. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Noni.
Thank you, Miss.
A, younger generation's habit. What do you think, guys? You can still answer on meeting chat. C. C, okay. Let's see. For number 4, the correct answer is, yes, it is C. Both are correct. Okay, so A and also B is correct. So the exact answer is C. Both are correct. Jadi menurut kakek, kenapa lingkungan menjadi rusak? Jadi yang A itu kebiasaan dari generasi muda. Benar. Kemudian yang B, gaya hidup generasi muda. Ini juga benar. Makanya jawaban yang paling tepat adalah yang C, yaitu keduanya benar. Both are correct. Okay, it's good. Thank you. And then next, number 5. Sorry. Okay, so it is not multiple choice for number 5. It is short answer. Now I will call Miss Nilsa. Hello. Hello, Miss Nilsam, ada?
Hello.
Okay.
Hello, Miss.
Now you can read for number 5 and give your short answer.
Okay, when Grandpa was growing up, what did he get when he returned bottle to the store?
Okay.
Uh, you know, Miss, I forgot about that.
Let's just
Yeah,
try.
when Grandpa, what did he get when he returned bottle to get
When
this?
he returned bottles to the store, what did he get? Apa yang
Oh, what
dia
he
dapatkan ketika
dapatkan? Okay, the bottle
mengembalikan botol
ke
ke
tokonya, yeah. Money.
money? Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Nilsam.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Money. Is it correct that the answer is money? Money, he get fresh milk? No, he get money. Okay, so let's just see. Number 5, the correct answer is Grandpa got his money back. Jadi, ketika Grandpa, kakek, bertumbuh ya, atau pas masih kecil, what did he get? Apa yang dia dapatkan ketika dia mengembalikan botol ke toko? Jadi jawabannya adalah Grandpa atau kakek mendapatkan uangnya kembali. Okay, it's good. And then next, number 6. Number 6, I will call next participant will be Mr. Kevin. Hello.
Hello, Miss. Is candy the same? How was candy different?
Okay. What is your answer? Is candy the same? How is candy different? Yes. What is your answer, Mr. Kevin? Apakah permen sama? Bagaimana permennya berbeda? Maybe you guys can answer on meeting chat.
The
Miss-
packaging.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Kevin. Now I will see on meeting chat. Candy with paper wrap? No, okay. Candy wrap in individual plastic. We choose what we want to eat, and then they will give us white paper to wrap it. Is it correct? Let's see. The correct answer for number 6. It is no, it isn't. Oke, jadi pertanyaannya adalah apakah permen itu sama? Jawabannya no, it isn't. Tidak. Tidak sama ya. It isn't karena di sini to be-nya is. Oke, candy. How was candy different? Bagaimana permen itu berbeda? Candy wasn't wrapped in individual plastic wrappers. Permen tidak dibungkus di plastik pembungkus individu atau plastik pembungkus satuan. Itu adalah perbedaannya. Ya. Oke. Okay, it's okay. It's good. And then next, number 7. Number 7 will be Mr. Guff. Is it real Guff, the name? Hello? Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Miss.
Miss Guff or Mr.?
Mr.
Mr. Okay, Mr. Guff, now you can read for number 7 and give your best answer.
How did Grandpa get to school?
Yes. How did Grandpa get to school?
He get to school by walking.
He get to school by walking. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Guff. Walking, by walking. Is it correct? He did walking. Walking. Grandpa get to school by foot. Let's see. The correct answer is Grandpa used to walk to school every day. Ya, jadi gimana kakek pergi ke sekolah? Kakek terbiasa untuk berjalan ke sekolah setiap harinya. So it is correct that it is walking. Yes. Not using the SUV cars or gasoline cars to go to school. And then next, number 8. Who wants to answer for number 8? How did Grandpa's generation get milk every day? Another participant, please. Sorry. Peserta yang lain boleh. Jangan yang sudah tadi berkesempatan untuk menjawab, oke? Jadi kita kasih ke teman-teman yang lain. How did Grandpa's generation get milk every day? Mr. Gani Rahman. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, Mr. Gani. Okay, so now you can read and give your answer for number 8.
How did Grandpa's generation get milk every day? Dan harus dikirim ke rumah apa, Miss? Namanya, Miss? Bahasa Inggrisnya, Miss?
Kirim ke rumah. Deliver to home.
Deliver to home with using PET bottle.
Using PET bottle. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Gani.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, so how did Grandpa's generation get milk every day? Let's see on meeting chat. What's others answer? Using PET bottle, using glass bottle. Okay, it's correct, but not exactly correct. Let's see, the correct answer for number 8 is milk was delivered in recyclable glass bottle. Oke, jadi bagaimana generasi kakek mendapatkan susu setiap harinya, yaitu susu diantar dengan gelas kaca yang bisa di-recycle atau didaur ulang. Oke, jadi ini jawaban yang tepatnya, benar ya, nggak pakai PET bottle, tapi pakai glass bottle. And it is delivered and at the porch, jadi diantar di depan halaman rumah. And then next number 9. Oh, there's no number 9. Okay, so there's only 8 question. And then the next is we have to match the word with its meaning. But for this, let's answer together. Okay, let's start with number 1. Okay, so guys, you don't need to raise your hand. Okay, let's just answer this together on meeting chat. Jadi, kita jawab bersama aja untuk ke-10 kata ini. Oke, jadi tidak perlu angkat tangan. Let's start with number 1, mess. Which meaning is match with mess? E, L, it's okay, between I and L. L, where's L? There's no L. I, okay, it means I. Let's see, the correct answer for number 1 is, yes, it is I. Mess di sini kan artinya berantakan ya. Jadi dia cocok dengan yang I, dirty, kotor, unorganized, tidak terorganisir, atau untidy, tidak rapi. And then next for number 2, generation. Number 2, generation, which meaning is match with generation. E. Number 2, E. Okay, so let's just see for number 2, the correct answer is, yes, it is a generation atau generasi adalah sebuah periode waktu, a period of time that is generally takes for people to grow up, childhood to adulthood. Jadi sebuah periode waktu di mana secara umum menempatkan orang untuk bertumbuh dari masa kecil ke masa dewasa. And then next number 3, reuse. Number 3, you can write the number, okay? 3B or 3C and others. 3B. Okay, so let's see for number 3. Is it B? Yes, it is B. Reuse, digunakan kembali. Artinya sama dengan to use again atau digunakan kembali. Okay, so next number 4. Number 4, which meaning is match with number 4, individual. A. Okay, you only need to answer once, okay? So if you answer A, just A. Do not repeat, okay? Let's see for number 4, individual is matched with A, single, separate, okay? Jadi individual atau satuan itu artinya sama atau cocok dengan yang single, single sendiri atau separate, terpisah. Okay, so do not spam, okay? Number 5, rapper, which meaning is matched with rapper. Rapper. Do not spam, okay? Jadi teman-teman tidak perlu spam jawabannya, cukup ditulis sekali aja, okay? Cukup jawab sekali aja. Let's see for number 5, it is F. Yes, it is correct that it is F. Wrappers atau pembungkus, yang artinya sebuah kertas atau plastik yang digunakan untuk menutup sesuatu. Ya, sehelai atau selembar kertas atau plastik yang membungkus sesuatu. Itu adalah wrapper atau pembungkus. And then next, number 6, recyclable. Recyclable, which meaning is matched with recyclable. Recyclable, okay? H, D, where's the number 6? D. Okay. D, an effect or influence. Let's see, number 6. Is it D? H, okay. Ada jawab D, ada H. Yang benar adalah yang H, okay, atau H. Materials or product that can be used again after they have been cleaned. Okay. Jadi recyclable atau dapat didaur ulang adalah material atau produk yang bisa digunakan kembali setelah mereka dibersihkan. Okay. And then next, number 7, impact. Impact, okay. So please do not spam. I can read your answer and I still wait for other participant to answer. So let's just wait, okay? D. Okay. Okay, guys, have you answered it on meeting chat? So you sure that the answer for number 7 is D? Yes, it is the impact atau dampak. Artinya adalah an effect or influence, sebuah efek atau sebuah dampak atau pengaruh. And then next, let's start number 8. Number 8, which meaning, which alphabet that match with waste? Waste, G, G, okay. Okay, so I will kick you if you still spam it, okay? Number 8, it is, yes, it is G. Waste or to use carelessly without any purpose. Jadi waste di sini artinya adalah sampah atau limbah ya. Jadi digunakan secara tidak peduli tanpa tujuan apapun ya. Jadi tidak digunakan juga apa namanya tidak ada tujuan apapun. Jadi itu adalah sampah. Tidak ada fungsi, tidak ada guna ya. And then next number 9, to place. To place. Number 9. Number 9, to place. Okay. Which, okay, which meaning is match with to place? J. J, okay. C. To place, untuk menempatkan. Atau to put in a particular position, untuk meletakkan di posisi tertentu. And then the last, yeah, so there will be only one option for the last question, environment. C. Okay, so let's just see. Yes, it is C. Environment atau lingkungan adalah natural world atau dunia natural, dunia alam. Okay? Yeah, so we have finished for all of the listening comprehension quiz. Yeah, we have answer 8 and also 10. So it's about 18 quiz. It's good and it's great. You guys are great, okay? Jadi teman-teman sudah melakukan yang terbaik. And then the next. Okay, so it is unfamiliar words. Actually, tapi tidak ada ditulis di sini ya. Jadi teman-teman boleh listkan kata-kata yang masih tidak familiar, tapi yang belum ya, yang belum disebutkan di vocabulary bank atau di match word tadi. Coba. Mungkin teman-teman ada kata-kata yang ingin ditambahkan ke unfamiliar words hari ini, boleh dilistkan di meeting chat. And I will help you to write here. Particular. And then what else? Particular artinya tertentu. And then next, dinner. Ya, eating for dinner, it is makan malam. Landfill. Landfill itu adalah tempat pembuangan sampah. Then what else? Ada lagi yang mau ditambahkan? yang masih berkaitan dengan video pendek kita tadi dan juga pertanyaan di sesi listening hari ini. Tidak ada? Oke. PET tadi sudah ya dijelasin bahwa PET bottles adalah botol plastik. Kalau untuk kepanjangan dari PET sendiri teman-teman bisa cari ya, PET itu kepanjangan dari polyethylene. Ini nggak perlu diartikan ya, ini memang bahasanya PET, polyethylene. Sorry, it's not my my basic, so it is kinda strange the word. Polyethylene terephthalate ya, yang artinya adalah plastik ya, atau ini tuh lebih ke bahan ya, adalah jenis resin atau bentuk dari polyester yang digunakan untuk membuat botol plastik. Oke? It's not PET dog, okay? We learn about environment. And PET bottle, it's not PET bottle. PET, it's not PET, but it is PET. Oke, jadi ini adalah bahan untuk membuat plastik, makanya namanya PET bottle. Okay, what else that you want to add to our vocabulary bank? No? Okay, so if it is enough, now you can take a screenshot or take a note for our unfamiliar words today, and you can add to our vocabulary bank for environment theme or topic. Jadi kalau misalnya sudah cukup, teman-teman boleh catat atau mungkin ambil screenshot untuk kata tidak familiar kita hari ini dan bisa ditambahkan ke vocabulary bank teman-teman untuk tema lingkungan. Oke, sudah? Kalau sudah, saya hapus. Finish? Okay, so I will delete all. And also I will close the session for listening session today. Thank you for coming to this listening session, and I hope this session will be very useful for you to upgrade your listening skill. And see you again in the next session for speaking session. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Bye-bye. Makasih. Waalaikumsalam
Terima
warahmatullahi
kasih.
wabarakatuh. Makasih, Miss.
Thank you.
Diungkapkan, makin sedihlah si bapaknya seperti itu.